So in this problem, we're learning how to complete the square. The process for completing the square is move all of the x terms to the left of the equation and the numbers to the right. So in this problem, that's exactly what we did. We moved all of the x terms, the 2x squared plus 6x is equal to 13. So we added 13 to both sides of the equation. Step number 2 is to divide out a coefficient of x squared variable terms. So what we did is from this step to this step, we divided by 2, and we got x squared plus 3x is equal to 13 halves. Now we have the process of completing the square. So we take 1/2 of 3, which is 3 halves, and we square it, and we get 9/4, and we add it to that side of the equation, and we'll also add it to the other side of the equation. Whatever we do to one side of the equation, we do to the other side. Now we have a perfect square on the left side of the equation, which is here, x plus 3 halves squared. And on the other side, we can add the 9. We have to get the same common denominator, which is 4. So that's 26 over 4 plus 9/4, which gives us 35/4. So these added together will give us 35/4. Now we can take the square root of both sides. When we take the square root of both sides, we get x plus 3 halves is equal to plus or minus the square root of 35/4. And now we can see we can reduce that a little bit. We get x plus 3 halves is equal to plus or minus the square root of 35/2. And now, to solve for x, we subtract 3 halves from both sides, and we get a minus 3 plus or minus the square root of 35/2. So our answer, we have two answers. One is a -3 minus square root of 35/2, and the other answer is a -3 plus the square root of 35/2.